Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing. So let's see what we have. I'm very excited because I ordered a bunch of stuff. Ooh, I know what this is. So, I ordered this a little bit too soon and you'll find out in a bit. But I'm glad I got it anyway because it was on sale. So, ta-da! This is a beautiful set of Winsor & Newton designer gouache. So, look how pretty that is. This set was on sale. This is the set that has 10 tubes of paint, and each tube is 14 millimeters, or milliliters, I should say. And, it's pretty expensive at Michael's. It was double the price at Michael's, and I got it for a really good price on Amazon, and I was really shocked. And right now, it's an even better price on Amazon. So anyway, right now, their primary set is $76.11, and that is a set with 6 14-milliliter tubes. And their introductory set of 10 tubes right now is $78.99, right? And, that's pretty good, because that's exactly what I paid for it. It looks like I paid more because I had to pay tax. I had to pay GST and HST because I'm in Canada, so it brought the price up by $10, even though I got free shipping. But I got $78.99 for this set. And at Michael's, this same set was $159.99. And the 6-tube set, and the tubes are all the same color, was just about $20 less. So I got this because it seemed like a really good price. And Lindsay, the Frugal Crafter, has a new class out about gouache. And I thought that'd be fun because I love gouache, but it's really hard to find a lot of really good quality tutorials on gouache online. And I learn best by watching tutorials and classes. So I bought these thinking I could use them for her class, but then she recommended a different kind of gouache, but she said you could use whatever you had. But I checked all of the pigment colors online after I bought this, and they weren't even the same pigment colors as the gouache she recommended. So I did go ahead and buy another set of gouache. So now I have 2 sets of professional style gouache. So this is what it looks like. So let's get this open, and let's just take one out. I love blue. So let's take a blue one out. So you can see it's not a very big tube size, but you know what? They make them smaller, and 14 milliliters. I think this will last quite a while, and I'm very excited to try this because I do love the Winsor & Newton brand. I love my Cotmans very much, and I use them a lot. So I thought this will be cool. So this is designer gouache. This is the primary blue. And if I hold this in place, I can show you all the colors that come in the set. So you can just see here. So you get 2 of the yellows, 2 of the reds, 2 of the blues, and then you get a green, this one, a black, and a white. And this one here is, I can't think of the name, and I know that name because I love that color. I knew that was going to happen. Yellow ochre. How did I forget yellow ochre? I love yellow ochre and burnt sienna for when I'm painting like dogs. So, or deer, something like that. So that is it for the Winsor & Newton designer gouache introductory set. I can't wait to try these. And they're still on sale for the same price, $78.99. And if you're in Canada, unless you have a coupon at Michael's for like 40% off or 50% off, it still worked out cheaper to buying it on Amazon. For me, anyway. Michael's is changing their rewards thing. You have to sign up now. If you haven't been to Michael's for a while, just check it out. Because now you get more rewards the more you spend, which would have been wonderful for me because I spent a lot of money at Michael's. I should be at the top tier already. But I'm not because they just came out with the new thing. But yeah, so this is the Winsor & Newton Designer Gouache Introductory Set. It's got a lot of really good ratings, and I will put the link below. This is all me spending my own money, you guys. Nothing was sent to me. But I love art, and I don't know whether my favorite hobby is actually doing art or buying art supplies. At this point, it's kind of hard to tell. So, yeah, I love collecting art supplies, and I love trying out all of the different kinds of art. And I'm sure I'm going to have favorites one day, and I will just settle down into a few. I'm probably going to be a mixed media artist because I do like so many different things. Like, I can't see me ever just saying, okay, for the rest of my life, I'm only painting in oils, which I've never tried, so of course I wouldn't say that. Or for the rest of my life, I'm only painting in watercolor, or I'm only painting in gouache. That's never going to happen. But I am hoping I will narrow it down to, say, my favorite 10 things instead of all the things, which is where I am right now. Although I have ruled out alcohol marker, I do not enjoy alcohol markers. I enjoy how nice they are to work with. You don't need water. They're easy to clean up, and the colors are beautiful, but I don't enjoy how the art looks. And that could be my fault. I don't have enough experience with it, but I don't enjoy it enough to keep trying. So that's one that I'm going to let go. But who knows? Next week I might change my mind and love them. You never know with me. But anyway, that is the Winsor & Newton Designer Gouache Intro Set, $78.99 on Amazon Canada, and cheaper on Amazon.com if you are American. And if you're ever anywhere else in the world, I don't know. But very excited to try these. I can't wait. I cannot wait. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.